Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process of how to solve the problem of your blog post featured image not showing when you share it on social media. So, example, let me just show you. This is one of my blog posts. As you can see, this is the featured image, the image that is supposed to show when I share it. However, earlier on I shared it, it wasn't showing the featured image. It was showing only the logo. And that is not what I wanted to show. I wanted to show the featured image. If you come here to, you see the same thing. You see that here it is reflecting. It is now showing the featured image. So this was a problem and I resolved it. And that is why I'm now going to show you how I did it. As those of you who have subscribed to this channel, you know me by now. I will not try to do a video on anything I myself have not found a solution to. And so I found a solution and this solution is working. That is why I'm now showing you how to also resolve it. Okay, so this is what you can do. So you go to your WordPress admin dashboard and go to plugins. So you click on add new plugin and you type use SEO. So this is it. I have already installed and activated it. So when you search for it, you click on the activate and then click on install. Okay, you click on install and then after that you activate it. That's what I want to say. So you activate and install it. After that, you come to install plugins and then go to settings. When you go to the plugin settings, there are a few things that you may need to do. So let me come here, go to general settings. Okay, and then go to post, post, not pages, post. So from post, so under post, make sure that show post in search results is turned on, and then you also come to site representation. So here, if your organization logo is not included, add it. Then you can provide your social media handles here. Now after that, come to your post, click on all posts. So you open one of them. So for example, I want to edit this particular one. So you click on, you open one of the articles, okay, and scroll down to the left. Okay, so under the left, you see use SEO. So come, then they'll ask you of the focus keyword, put it here, and then you come down. It will optimize it. In fact, this particular plugin is going to optimize your blog article in such a way that it will show properly when it is being searched for. So as you can see, they've optimized it and they're indicating how it will show. And then they will also ask you here to add a meta description. That is the part that is going to show when people are searching for your video. So for example, as you see here, when they search for your video, the part that will show them or convince them to click on your article, that is what is shown here. So here, my meta description is what? In this article, I'll show you how to get help even if you are broke, and I'll give you 3 practical ways to get funding with real examples. So the meta description is more or less like a thumbnail or the most informative part or summary of the key things in your video that is going to convince people to actually watch it. So you can see SEO analysis here. You can add related keywords and all of that. This one you may need a premium, but even with the free version, you'll be able to add some of the few things here that will help make your article SEO friendly. And this plugin will also optimize your video in such a way that the thumbnail will show wherever you share the article, or the featured image will show wherever you share the article. So after all of that, you click on save. When you save it and you copy the link and come and now share, like what I've just done here, you'll now see that it is going to show the featured image. So that is exactly what I did, and it's showing me the featured image. Let me just switch back to the second one I posted, and you see it. Yeah, so this is the one I just posted about 30 minutes ago, and now the featured image is showing. If you follow this step-by-step process, you will be able to optimize your featured image to show when you share your video on social media. If you follow it and you still don't get a solution, please, you can leave your comments in the comment section. You can also follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link in the description of this video to contact me, and I will be available to help you. Thank you once again, and remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video. Bye.